Hello everyone, welcome back to another travel vlog. Today we're going to be traveling in the heart of London and in the most famous fresh food market in London, which is the Borough Market. It's a very nice day today. We're going to be touring this area, so come join us. We're going to be going to the Borough Market and it's very busy today. We got off at London Bridge Station. It's 20 degrees currently and we're going to be touring this beautiful area in the city of London. So come join us and hope you enjoy. Oh, that's a tour bus. So see some information about what's happening. Across the Thames River in that direction, you have the London Bridge and also St. Paul's Cathedral, which we have toured, so you can check that vlog out. Here you have a memorial relating to the London Bridge. Overlooking the Thames River, you can see these high skyscrapers in the city of London. That's the walkie-talkie building, and in the middle you have the Leadenhall building and many other famous buildings. We walked across the Cathedral Street in southeast London, and now we're going in the Winchester Walk direction. It's in the Bankside in southeast London, and here you have many different things here. And we're going to be touring this Borough Market, which is a huge market and it's very popular amongst Londoners here. That's the train station above. So in this market you have many different varieties of street food from across the world, so let's check this out. This is an Indian street food, and you can see there's a line and it's always packed. You can find mango lassi and also some traditional food. So coming to this market, you can feel and smell all the food. You can see this amazing food, and this is an Indian restaurant, a Indian stall, and everyone's enjoying this food. Here you have different varieties of food across the world, and that's one thing that's very special about the London Borough Market. Londoners enjoy this kind of food. So stay tuned and let's watch.
on deep. It says escape from the deep, like that. And where is Bilbo? And we have falafel.
Hope you enjoyed this travel vlog. This market was very lively and there's so many people here. I enjoyed touring here, so hope you too. Stay tuned for more video. In the next part we're going to be touring inside the market and you have more fresh fruits, vegetables, seafood and many other food store. I'm going to be trying some food as well. So stay tuned. I've had so much fun. See you in the next travel vlog.